We're in very sunny Calabria. It's pouring with rain. And we're in Cortale, and they have the special cannellini bean. They're called Cannellina Bianca di Cortale. They're about to be a slow food presidium. They grow really well in this particular rocky area, and we're about to see how they make them into this delicious pasta dish.
Mi chiamo Elisabetta e preparo la pasta dei stranguggi.
Bettina lives in Cortale, Calabria, and she serves these beans with a pasta called stranguggi.
A rogno nero, bianco, vedi come lo rognone, longarina.
The cannellini have a thin skin and a sweet flavour.
Sono buoni.
Bettina likes to cook them over an open fire in an earthenware pot called a piñata. She has also boiled some in a pan for good measure. While the beans gently cook, Bettina prepares the vegetables. First, she chops up some celery and a large onion. Bettina grew these herself.
La mamma mi insegnava che lui sa come fare mangiare, non impariamo noi. E sempre noi come facciamo mangiare. E io sto seduto come guarda.
She adds them to a terracotta pot and fries them in olive oil until the mixture is soft.
Allora, mettiamo qua. Ma però noi l'antico chiamavamo testo.
Bettina chops up into a separate pan some bitter chicory along with Swiss chard and a cabbage called cavallo cappuccio, which is similar to a Savoy.
Okay.
She boils these in water with a spoonful of oil on her open fire until they're tender.
Faccio io? No.
Once cooked, she adds the greens to her onion mixture, along with a bottle of her homemade tomato passata. Her beans, meanwhile, need checking.
Non la puoi salare. Volete assaggiare?
Li assaggi lei?
Li assaggi lei, Elisabetta.
Next, Bettina prepares her stranguggi. This is her madia, or dough trough, which she also uses for making bread. Bettina sieves some durum wheat or semolina flour, followed by some ordinary wheat flour. She makes a well and adds some water. The measuring is all done by eye. The trough allows one to add quantities of water without it going anywhere. Once the dough is formed, Bettina kneads it until it is smooth, sprinkling a little soft wheat flour as she does so. This takes a good 10 minutes.
Ma da qua ne viene un quintale di pasta.
Si mangiano.
Un quintale.
Si mangiano. Andrea, che devi tu?
Vuole tagliarlo a metà se fa prima, così ne lavora solo una parte.
No,
Then she slices off pieces and rolls them into ropes about 1/2 inch in diameter. Bettina cuts these up into stubby lengths, the width of her middle 3 fingers.
non imparo noi per me mettono per meno.
Bettina!
Bello.
Bella pure tu, ma non ho capito niente.
Non hai capito?
Sai che cosa ha detto?
No, capisci,
Ha
no.
detto che lei sa fare il rito contro il malocchio.
Ah.
E quindi ogni tanto vengono a riprenderla per questi studi.
These baskets are called crivu, and they can be found all over southern Italy and Sardinia. They are for rolling pasta and are made with reeds. Bettina takes each piece of pasta and rolls them along the reeds to create grooves. She presses down as she does so to make a curved shape. Lining a basket with a cloth helps to dry the stranguggi a little before cooking. The beans are now ready to be added to the vegetables. Bettina checks for salt.
Allora. Ci vuole un po' di sale.
E giù metti.
Poco poco però. Vedete come assaggia il sale?
Poi rimetti quello.
Buono.
Buono.
Sì,
Non mettiamo chiedi.
no, sufficiente il sale.
È buono.
Sì, è buono. Never remember. Anyway. In fact, I'm going to keep on eating. Bettina boils her pasta separately in salted water. Once they have cooked for 5 minutes, she adds them to the bean mixture. No cheese is added. And we get to eat a delicious supper with Bettina and her family. Buon appetito!
Io non sono stupida, perché se sotto non si
Vieni,
spacca.
vieni.
Grazie Bettina!
Prego.
Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.
Bettina.